Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Kickstart. Kickstart is a teaching platform that was put together by Douglas and partner. Basically, this platform comes with a done-for-you list building magnet that builds credibility and trust. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this platform works. But do not forget to click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual, I've also added some of my awesome bonuses that will help boost this product for you. Of course, yeah, it is a list building a teaching platform. I have also added some bonuses that will not just help boost your list, it will also teach you. Some of the bonuses that I've added will teach you how you can rank, how you can also add leads. And just stay tuned. In a minute I'm going to walk you guys through all the bonuses that I've added. But let's see the sales page. So this is actually how the sales page looks like. There isn't much, but maybe if time permits we'll come back and take a listen to this video. Nonetheless, this is the members area. Once you sign in, guys, this is what you see. From the right hand side you can log in and out. Then on the left hand side, this is actually the Douglas February right here, the main man that put together this product. And this is the outline of this teaching platform. So let's take a listen to Douglas and see and hear what he has to say.
Congratulations again, everyone, on deciding to pick up Kickstart. So what I'm about to tell you is extremely important, as obviously you've taken the time and effort now to pick up Kickstart. And what we need to ensure is that over the next few days, I'm going to be sending you some really important information so that you can get the best out of Kickstart. Okay. And in saying this, you're going to have to do what I'm about to tell you to do. And what it is that I'm asking you to whitelist my email address within Gmail. And in that way, you will be guaranteed of receiving my emails. Now, at the moment, some of my emails might be going into your spam folder or your promotions folder or even your inbox. However, by doing what I'm asking you to do, this will guarantee you that the information I'm trying to get to you will get to you, and you'll be able to extract the most out of Kickstart. So without wasting any time, I'm going to jump on over to Gmail, and in that way, I'll show you exactly what it is you need to do to ensure that my emails actually reach you, so that you can take action in terms of making sure you get the best out of Kickstart.
All right, guys, that is the intro by Douglas. Then let's click on the Kickstart proper on the left hand side. Let's see, it says kickstart your income by building a list. Let's see what happens. So okay, this is also another tutorial. Okay, this is a longer one.
Hello,
so
everyone.
guys, we are not going to take a lesson to all of this because it's like 43 minutes, but basically I have shown you guys how this works. So all the trainings are on the left hand side, and for each one you click, you watch the tutorial video. So this is the Kickstart Boost, this is the Kickstart Pro. So for the boost, okay, these are all the trainings under boost, and then pro you have all of this. Let's see the bonuses that he has added today. So he has added five that is readily available for this front end. So if you're purchasing the front end, you basically have access to all these 5 bonuses. And if you upgrade, you will have the 6th. As you can see, the 6th and the 7th bonuses are still locked. So if you upgrade, definitely they will open. And guys, speaking of bonuses, let me quickly take you to my bonuses today and show you what I've added. So the first one that I've added is access to SEO Studio. The second one is access to 7 minute system. And then the third bonus that I have added is access to Jonas Moblicos. And then the fourth one is access to all the upsells from a secret product, which actually applies to the first 12 hours only. And then the fifth one is access to all vendor bonuses. So guys, remember I told you that the teaching platform is about list building, and some of the bonuses that I've added here will help to rank your maybe videos. Of course, you have a list. You also need a leads. So the bonuses that I've added here will help you with leads, will help you with ranking, and of course to accelerate the list that you are building. And then guys, and as a reminder, before I forget, if you're purchasing through my link, if you click on any of these yellow buttons to sign in, if it is True Warrior Plus, guys, click on the blue button where it says Access Affiliates Bonus. My bonuses shall automatically be added. If it is True JV where the red arrow is at, click on that box and my bonuses shall automatically be added. Remember that these products will be going live on the 4th of August, and you have access to all my bonuses plus his bonuses, provided you are purchasing within this time frame. The clock is ticking, guys. Once this timer runs out, you will probably not have access to all the bonuses that I have shown you guys today. All right, now let's talk about the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, guys, you of course is just $1. So you have access to the training module. The upsell 2, which is $17, is the boost. So this creates is the opportunity to explode your list building with a full promo package and training. Then the Pro, which is $37, allows you to earn commission from the list that you have built or you have acquired. And then the Upsell 3, which is the Elevate, is $97. So this will give you access to one of the experienced Kickstart marketers who will assist you 1 hour one-on-one for 1 hour to help you with your technical issues. And then the Upsell 4, which is the gold, is $197. So of course they say that they know that people are not of the same, or the people are at different levels within their own online journey and has various levels of technical competence. And of course, with this with this gold package, everything will be done for you to kickstart the pro version. And then the upsell 5, which is the reseller right, of course you'll be given the right to resell this product and earn commissions for yourself. And the price is $137. And guys, these are some of the key benefits from this products that you'll be getting. So they're saying that there is no actual work. You make other people work for you. It is a unique software and training, and it's 100% newbie friendly, proven to be profitable and works in any niche. All right, guys, this is basically what it is from me to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking with me, for sharing my videos, for the comments, for the likes, and you stay safe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.